Welcome again. In this video, we will see how can we import a front-end application, front-end of ReactJs into Visual Studio Code. So let's suppose I have this project, ecom in Spring Boot and React.js. When I open this folder, I found the front API collection, backend, database, and frontend. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the how can we install the how can we import the frontend. So open this frontend folder, and this is my root directory of the application. Just copy this path and open my Visual Studio Code. Before that, make sure you have a Node.js installed in your machine that we have seen in the last tutorial. And after that, go to the file section, go to the open folder, enter that folder here, and you will see it's coming. So I just say select folder. If you are using first time this Visual Studio Code, it will ask you to touch some basic instructions, some basic terminologies. When you see the folder is coming and open here, go to the terminal, open new terminal, and here let's wait to okay, now it's showing the path. The current location of this my terminal controller is ecom. Here what you need to do, npm, you need to fire a command npm install. So it will install all the modules that is mentioned into the package file. So it will take some time. Just wait for a while. It's depend on your internet connection and the speed of the machine processing. So just wait while it's going to install all the dependencies. So all the backend dependency that we're using in this application is going to install now. The execution might take long time because there might be a long like many dependencies. So just wait and don't terminate this process without with any force or something. So you can see you can see now the installation is done. Now we have to fire another command which will be the npm start strt. So when you hit the enter here by this command, it will start a server and run my front end on a browser. But currently the backend is not connected, so I'm just my motto in this video to show you how can you import the project, how can you install the dependencies, and how can you run the application. Okay, so while when I hit the npm start, it will start my server. Now to make the connectivity and all, just make sure your backend and database is also configured. That is already shown in the other tutorials, that it will help you to set up the application that you are buying from Tool1. Thank you.